Okay, so this is a pretty simple tutorial on how to make a Gorilla Tag fan game. So first, make sure that you have. I mostly recommend you have 2021.3.3 F1, but I accidentally clicked on 1.8 F1, 1.8 F1. So yeah, minimize. First you gotta install editor, then just make sure that you have selected Android build and support, open JDK, Android SDK, and NDK tools. Then go to projects, new project, name it whatever you want. I'll just do tutorial game, and just make sure that it's 3D, not VR, just 3D, and create project, and it will take a while. Then after all of that, this should pop up. First thing you gotta do, edit, project settings, and then XR plugin management, and then install XR plugin management, and then you will install. After that, this will pop up, and just click yes, and this will restart your Unity. So just wait for that. Then when you're done, there should be this thing to it. Just click here, click edit, and then go over here. Valve index control profile, and then focus touch control profile, and up here change it from single pass to multipass. Go to annual settings, single pass to multipass, and just to save everything, just go at the file and click save. I save my project every so often just in case Unity crashes or something. And then just go over here and then add Oculus touch control profile, go back into XR plugin management, and then click Oculus, and then we'll install everything for Oculus. Just wait for that. From this down, go over here, click on Oculus, go on the monitor, change single pass to multipass, go to Android settings, change multi-view to multipass, and turn on the low overhead mode. And where it says target devices, I want the Quest 2 and the Quest Pro, so all people with Quest 2 and Quest Pro will be able to play this game. Then when you're done all of that, just exit that, and then save. Then when you're done all of that, click Window, click Package Manager, click plus, click Add Package from URL, and then type com.unity.xr.interaction.toolkit. It's a pretty long URL. Click add, and it will download everything from there. Then this should pop on. Just click I made a backup, go ahead. Now that you're done all that, click samples, and click store assets, import, and it will import all of the starter assets. If I didn't already put it in the folder, just click samples, XR Interaction Toolkit 2.3.0, and starter assets. Now there should be some of these. So just go over here and click this for all of them. Add the action based something, I accidentally removed it. There, and there. Now I'm just going to edit, project settings, and going to preset manager. We have a lot here, but where it says action based controller, you need to find XR default right controller. Just type in right, and for the XR default left controller, just type left. And just ignore the rest. Then just exit out that, and now just save if you want to. And then you have to go into the GitHub in the description and download the Gorilla Locomotion. Basically here, Locomotion Unity package, and download. And here it is. Go here, open, and make sure, then just click all and then import. Now here in the following open scenes have been changed on disks. If you want to reload scenes, just click reload. Now it's time for the map. First I recommend you that we delete the main camera because we don't need it. And now just make our map. Go over here, 3D object and cube. And now you can basically just make whatever you want. Yes. Here you can hold movement. Also right click to look around. And while holding right click you can move around with WASD. And here you can click skill. And just do that. I'm not gonna go fully into how to make maps. I'll do that in a later tutorial. Then what I like to do is go over here, create, folder, materials, go to here, create a new material, and I'll call it blue. And then go over here, make it whatever color you want. You can also drag a texture in here, like a file, there. And then just go get this and drag it onto there. And then this is pretty boring, so I like to click that, Control D, and then just do the map however you want. You don't have to do it exactly like me. That. Make sure that the map is big enough so it can't just like get over to the second corner of the map in one jump. I got my map done, and basically what you gotta do now is assets, resources, gorilla prefab, and here you have the gorilla rig. Just drag it in somewhere and just rotate it how you want. And by the way, you W to move it, E to rotate it, and R to scale it. And just make sure that you don't scale the gorilla rig. Now basically to test it you need Steam VR. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and test it right now. First I'll just save. Okay, so right now I'm in Steam VR. Let's go over here and play and just wait for it to load. Or normally it doesn't take that long. And now, as you can see, I'm in. And the movements work. And yeah, I think this is a little too big, but actually I don't care. So these balls are your colliders, if you didn't already know. And can jump around, have fun. And if you think it's a little too laggy, you can just turn off all of the shadows. I'll teach you how to do that in a little bit. So to turn off all the shadows, just select all of the objects that you want. And just go cast shadows and then just click off, and now you don't have any shadows anymore. To add a mirror, it's actually pretty easy. All you gotta do is first let's go over here, get the cube, and then just duplicate that cube here, scale it down, here, camera, and just turn it around so it faces the right way, and now just go into materials or wherever, create a render texture, just call it mirror, you can call it whatever you want. Go on the camera and then target texture, just drag the render texture to the target texture, and then just get your target texture and drag it to there. Now it will be upside down, just take the camera and rotate it. It will be inverted, and you can keep it like this if you want to, but all you gotta do is just scale it like this, and then just scale it like that, and now it's in back like that. Now just go over here, click play, and I'll just try it again. And right now you don't have a model, you're just two flying spheres. As you can see, we have a mirror. So yep, that's the basics of making a Gorilla Tech fan game. In the future, I'll show you how to add Photon, which is multiplayer, and how to make a cooler map than this.
using Pro Builder, because Pro Builder is cool. But yeah, bye. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you thought it was bad, I know I'm not really a tutorial guy, but yeah. Bye bye.